Yes. Oh, you surprising me. Come on in. You know, a lot of people that say, hey, Mike, what does it take to be a great artist? Well, first of all, it takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of dedication. It takes a lot of paint. I'm not just talking about the blue and the green. I'm talking about magenta, chartreuse, and if you're really good, big blue orange. No, but for that you really need experience. One more thing you need to be a great artist, and that's references. Now, take the job I did for the Pope over there at the system. That's the wrong one. My friend the Picasso did that. He can't paint worth beans. No, there it is, the Sistine Chapel. Oh, the Pope, he loved it. The guy loved it. Magnifique. Ooh, he called up a bunch of people he knew and had them over for dinner. I handed out my business cards. I'm telling you, you can't buy an advertising like that. Now, here's a one I did of my brother Jack. Right after the baseball accident. He's playing the outfield. The ball coming down. He put a glove up, hit him right in the eye. Ooh! We call him a one-eyed Jack. No, what about talent? Do you have to have talent? Absolutamente. The answer is absolutamente. Great art is more than just a drop cloth and a bucket with a bunch of brushes and a roller. It's more than that. It's a voice deeper down inside of you. It's a deep down inside of whispering. Scissors, paints, finger paints. I ought to know. I am a Michelangelo, the greatest painter of all times. I have got to get back to my work. Thank you for joining me today. Oh, magnifique. Oh, yes, yes.